Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I reveal why plain text is the most profitable email newsletter for email marketing. Stay with me till end of this short video. Before starting our topic, try to download this free book called Email Money. It's my book and it teaches you from A to Z about email marketing, how to start a profitable email marketing, and how to improve your poor deliverability like low open rate, low click-through rate, and low engagement and writing emails. Make sure to download this free book in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos regarding email marketing skills. So let's start our topic, plain text email. In fact, plain text email is the only form of newsletter that most affiliate and email marketers use on a daily basis to send email contents to their list of email subscribers, and it makes the most money than HTML or fancy email designs. Why plain text is the best? So let's answer this question for you. In fact, I started the email marketing business in 2014, and in the last 8 to 9 years, I sent only plain text email to my list, and it made me the most money than HTML emails. So why plain text email is the best? Reason number one, high deliverability. Plain text email gives you the highest open rate, the highest click-through rate, and the highest the engagement because of excellent deliverability. If you send plain text email, your email will land in your subscribers' inbox directly without going to the spam box, without going to the promotion box, or without going to the junk folder for Hotmail. So if you use HTML emails or fancy designs using photos, images, the probability of your email landing in the spam is huge because of suspicion image blockages by Google and some other servers. So if you use, for example, duplicate image in your HTML email, the probability of your email land in the spam boxes huge. So try to write fresh plain text email without using images, GIFs, moving text, so your email will land in the inbox. Reason number two, plain text emails creates personal feeling in your subscribers inbox, especially if you write your email in conversational style. Especially if you use personalization in your subject line and your email content. For example, in your subject line, mention the first name of the person. For example, hey John, how to make money online. For example, hey John, you can make $1,000 a day. Hey Smith, you can lose 1 pound a day. The same in your email body as well. Reason number three, plain text emails in fact loads faster due to a small size. So it loads faster and it will land in the inbox faster. So if you send HTML emails using photos and images, your email will load a little bit slower, especially for those who have slow internet connection. That's why plain text email is good in this situation. Reason number 4. Plain text emails brings the eye open rates and click-through rates. What's open rate? Open rates shows how many person opened your email. What's click-through rate? Click-through rate shows the percentage of how many subscribers clicked the link in the email. So if you use plain text email, you give the highest open rate and the highest click-through rate because of eye deliverability, because of personalization, because of data loading. So as I told you, try to send plain text email on a daily basis, and before sending your email, try to test your email with two Gmail email addresses. So if you test your email, it will show where your email land, in the spam box, in the promotion box, or in the inbox directly, which is the desire of every email marketer. Test your email, test your email, test your email. All the time test your email with the two Gmail email addresses before sending. Every autoresponder like ClickFunnels, Aweber, GetResponse, and ConvertKit, and etc. have a specific option for testing email before sending. Make sure to test your email. As I told you in the beginning, make sure to download my free book in the description below. This book will teach you everything about email marketing and how to create the number one digital asset, which is a list building that generates ongoing income. So make sure to download this free book, and thanks for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos regarding email marketing skills. Thank you very much.